Walking through the stormy night's gray sky, my heart's heavy like the clouds so high. Whispers of the wind, they call my name. Can't forget the way you played that game. Drizzle starts to fall upon my face, each drop a memory I can't erase. Love once bright, now washed away, fading slowly into this rainy day. Tears in rain, they're falling down, lost in sorrow, I might drown, holding on to what remains. We are just tears in rain. Footprints vanish in the wet cement, feelings tangled in this discontent. Distant thunder echoes from afar, reminds me of the way things are. Tears in rain, they're falling down, lost in sorrow, I might drown, holding on to what remains. We are just tears in rain. Reflections in each puddle deep, secrets that my heart will keep. A love that we could not sustain, now it's lost like tears in rain.